Today we're installing 7 photoelectric smoke alarms and some downlights in this 4-bedroom family home. Why 7? Because Queensland law now requires a photoelectric smoke alarm in every bedroom and on every level of your home. This isn't just ticking a box, it's about keeping your family safe. Every second counts in a fire. Today we're installing Brooks photoelectric smoke alarms. They're fast acting, interconnected and compliant with all Australian current standards. So what does interconnection mean? When one smoke alarm goes off, they all go off. And that is critical in an emergency. Installation is fast and mess-free. Each smoke alarm has a 10-year lifespan and warranties vary. And that's it, you're fully protected and compliant. To prevent false alarms, vacuum and test monthly. Thanks for watching.